What's up, you guys? This is TLJ Garage, and today we have a major car update. So if you guys watched the last video, I'm sure you guys are all wondering what happened to the Mazda. I kind of threw in a clip of it wrecked as a joke and acted like it wasn't wrecked. But I'm going to tell you guys what happened to the Mazda. So here's my 2007 Mazda 3 that I daily drove for the past year. So the DUI dummy backed into my car with a big old truck. His hitch hit right here. It caused the hood to completely crease into it buckled, but I kind of just smashed it down to make it look presentable for the neighbors. It cut the wiring harness, it cut some injectors, it punctured the intake manifold, smashed up the AC condenser and the radiator, which sucks because I just fixed the AC in the last video. You guys should check it out, it's a good one. This fender is bent up. The bumper is messed up, needs a new headlight, and it needs another fender. And this door doesn't open. So 2 days after the DUI dummy hit my car, I was kind of screwed and I had to daily drive the Porsche, which isn't a big deal, it's kind of fun. But that gets old. And so I had to go out and buy a new daily driver, and I was on a tight schedule and I was desperate. And I don't think you guys are gonna like it, but this is what I got. 2002 Honda Civic. It has been in a wreck. It does need paint. It is really ugly. The interior is very nasty. It's missing a hubcap. What else is wrong with it? Has a little dent here. It's a 5-speed manual, runs and drives, has air conditioning. And I picked up this bad boy for 1,300 bucks. It has 170,000 miles. And it is running strong, has AC, and it's gotten me around. But the issue is that it's very ugly and it's crappy, so I wanted to get a new car. So I decided to go shopping. So I was sitting in my room one day and I really don't like daily driving the Civic, and I was like, dang, I'm pretty bored. What am I gonna do today? It was my day off work at the hospital. I was like, maybe I should buy a car. And I was like, so I hopped on OfferUp. 30 seconds later, I messaged this guy. 15 minutes later, I'm at the bank, and another 15 minutes later, I'm at the guy's house, and 30 minutes after that, I'm driving this guy home. So this is my 2003 Saab 9.3 Turbo, and it is my dream car. The good news is that it does have a few issues, one being the oil leak, two being the check engine light. That is the camshaft sensor that needs to be fixed because it's in limp mode and it's getting horrible gas mileage and not having much power. So I'll be fixing that with you guys, and we'll be fixing the oil leak. Also, we need to bleed the brakes because the pressure in the system is horrible, so we'll be doing that. That's an easy fix. We'll be doing plugs on it and probably coil packs. Other than that, it just needs a nice big greasy TLJ detail, so we'll be doing that as well today. So stay tuned for some more Saab videos and give us a likes up or a likes down. So now that I have my new daily driver, I'm sure you guys are all wondering what I'm going to be doing with the wrecked Mazda. And typically TLJ Garage is all about rebuilding cars, but for this one I think I'm going to sell it to my buddy Tito, and he's going to pick it up today for 900 bucks. I just don't think it's worth it for me to put more money into the car, given that I don't think it's going to be worth it to rebuild. Don't tell Tito. But he's really interested and he's good at working on cars, so he's excited, and I don't think he'll lose money. I think he'll make money, but I just think it's too big of a hassle for TLJ Garage because we got other projects, so you guys need to stay tuned. So a quick rundown on the Saab. It's got 130,000 miles, it's got an oil leak, and it's a clean title. It is automatic, which sucks, but it's okay because I don't really care. It's a good daily driver, so I'm fine with the automatic. It does have a dent there, small dent there. Wheels and tires are brand new, windshield's brand new, sunroof brand new, and this is brand new. All notarized for the Mazda, and it's all good for Tito to come pick it up, so he should be here within the next couple hours, and that Mazda will be gone officially. I'll have 900 bucks in my bank account and I can go car shopping again. But I might need to put a little bit of money into this Saab. So I'm gonna run to AutoBone. I need to get some spark plugs, and I need to do a little bit of research on the check engine light. Well, you guys, I'm just about to wash the car and I have it parked out on the street. But first, I think we just got our first fan mail. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video. All right, you guys, so here's our very first TLJ unboxing video from a fan. Thank you for... No way. Dude! Oh my gosh. You guys. Woo. I'm freaking out. TLJ Garage. We are about getting rich. We are about making hats. We're about making merch. So, I don't know if you guys know this yet, but Tucker's not here, but he's gonna be here soon, and we have matching hats now. I have a feeling T-Bird sent this out to me. I'm freaking out, and oh my gosh, boys, it's official. TLJ Garage, stay tuned. I'm about to clean the car. Alright, you guys, now that the Saab is all clean and ready to go on the streets, me and Axel are about to go help Tito load up the car because he just got here and he's ready to buy it. So we're about to head out there, get it on the dolly, and send it away and get my cash and then go shopping. Tito, how quick do you think you'll fix this up?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, maybe like, depends. I call a place today. They don't have all the parts, but they got some of them.
Yeah. Will you send me pictures of it once it's rebuilt? Such a good car. Looks like I got 900 bones to spend. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm sure it won't be long until it's all gone and I have another car in the shop. Okay, I guess that concludes it for this video, but there's gonna be lots more to come with the Saab. I just picked up some spark plugs and we'll be doing those, gapping those, and we'll be doing some coil packs in order to fix this check engine light, and we'll do some work on the oil. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for some more videos, so like and subscribe. Thank you.